Hey students, welcome to this brief tutorial on hybrid learning and how that's going to work here in the Agriculture, Food and Natural Resources Department. So the purpose of this little module presentation on playlist is to show you how to work through a typical day in hybrid learning when we are not in person. So let's get started. Our learning targets for today, we'll be able to describe the expectations for daily check-ins and routines. We'll outline the weekly schedule for the course that you're in. We'll establish goals and plans for success in your hybrid learning experience. Hybrid learning is a learning model that combines in-person and virtual learning. High schools come physically to campus to school on Wednesdays and Fridays. Middle schoolers come to school on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. The days that you are not in school are days that you will be operating in distance or virtual learning. Now, I'm always available for help and assistance even on those distance learning days. So if you ever have any questions or concerns, you can always reach out to me. Stay tuned for the next video.